Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in today's quick video, I'm going to teach you about building your business right. You're going to love this, so stay tuned and keep it rolling. I'm at Montezumas Castle in Arizona, and I have loved this place since I was a kid. The first time I came here was when I was 10 years old, and I absolutely fell in love with it. You can see it behind me. It's a house. Montezuma was never here, and it's not a castle, but it's a house that the Indians in Arizona built and used up on the side of a hill, and they built it nice and safe and secure because it's nearly impossible to attack. All they had to do was pull the ladders up, and they were fine. So when the men went out hunting in the fields, if the women needed to protect themselves, if bad guys were coming, they would just pull the ladders up, and it was nearly impossible to attack. Now think about that in your business. Do you have a business that will feed you no matter what? Do you have a business that'll keep going no matter what? If you're under attack, is it as simple as doing one thing to protect yourself because you've built it in the right spot, in the right location, and made it work for you? That's something to think about. That's what I've thought about in my business, and that's exactly what I teach you how to do using my rapid cash generator system. We cover how to find deals, make deals, and get paid. That's marketing, negotiation, and contracts and control, so that you can profit from wholesaling deals all the way through to settlement. Because when you build your business right by knowing how to find deals, make deals, and get paid, then you have built your business in the right way, and your business will be there to protect. Because done right, when you build your business in the right spot and in the right way, it will protect you and provide for you and defend you against bad things that might happen. Well, you know what the bad things are in life: running out of money, or going bankrupt, or not having enough money for retirement, or not having enough money to fund your lifestyle or take care of your kids. You can fix all of that by building your business right from the beginning. And that's exactly what I teach you how to do in both my Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Kit and at the Rapid Cash Generator 3-day Bootcamp. We talk about building your business right. How do you build your business right from the beginning so that you have it in the right spot and can build it up the right way so that it protects you, protects your family, and make sure it funds you, your goals, and make sure it's done right. That way you are safe and secure going forward. If you like this video, click on the like button below and share it with somebody on Facebook. And look forward to talking to you again soon. It's Tom Zeeb for Traction Real Estate Mentors. See you later.